In this video, I will show you how to create an account and get started on Whop. So what you need to do first is you need to go over to your browser and then just type in Whop, and then you will find this option in here saying whop.com, welcome to Whop, and then you just need to click on this link in here, and then it will say something like let's build your Whop, and this is part of the onboarding as you can see, and now it's asking you to put in your email in here, so go ahead and do that and then click on continue. And if you already have an account, you can just use that email and then Whop will recognize that and then you can sign in. But if you're new to Whop, then just fill in your email address that you want to sign up for. So after you've put in the verification code that you are getting in your email, you can just put in the name that you want to have on your profile and you can just go ahead and fill something in. I'm just going to fill in something like John Apple and then click on next. And I need to fill in your birthday, so just go ahead and do that. And please be aware that if you put a birthday in that is below 18 years of age, you will have less features available on Whop. So only if you're above 18, you will have advanced features. And after that, you can just choose your profile picture. You can upload one or you can just select one from here. I'm just going with this one. I'm going to click on save. And now you can join in Whop and it's required to start. So you can just start, for example, Whop Clips, Whop University. These are the two most popular ones. And I'm just going to join Whop Clips and Whop University. And after I'm going to click on next all the way at the bottom. And now you need to name your Whop. So this is the name of your social business, as you can see, and you can change this later anytime. So I'm just going to call this John Store and then I'm going to click on continue. And now you can choose your own Whop link. And this will be the link that you send to your customers. So go ahead and enter something you like. And after click on continue, I'm just going to go with this link and then I'm going to click on continue. And now it is building our store. And once you do that, your store is being built and now you can just get your Whop ready by completing the checklist. So for this, you need to claim your Whop link, set up Whop payments, add content to your Whop, design your store and invite your first user. And after that, you can just create your own checkout link. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing and then I'll see you in the next one.